She's not bothered. We'll get off the lead then. Yeah, let's have that. So, this is the Gull family. Chris's competition. Show me your dog. Betsie. Get out. Good girl. Dead. Good girl, get out. Come here. Good girl.
Cheers, Bet.
Hold that. How you throw it when I say. So, remember, get out then throw it. Yeah?
How far?
Not far.
Get out.
Beautiful. Call him back. Use your whistle. Use your whistle. You didn't use your whistle.
Didn't realise I was.
Betsie, what are you doing then? Put your whistle in your mouth.
Betsie, come here. Get out. Good girl. There. Up.
Ask her to shake when she shakes. If she shakes. If she doesn't. Go on then, send her.
Get out.
What kind of whistle's that? Call her. She's not come to you.
Betsie.
Okay, we didn't give her the verbal when she came out. Go on, call her. Betsie, where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Come here. There. Shake. Right, I'm going to go stand the other side because I think the sun's going to be right in the camera. Call her back to you then.
Betsie, come here. Come here. Betsie.
Whistle. Call her. 5.
Betsie.
Keep your whistle in your mouth.
Come here. Good girl.
Sit her up.
Up.
No, yeah.
Get out.
Perfect. Oh, she's loving the game. Loving the game. Give her a good girl.
Good girl.
Say, come.
Come here.
That.
Betsie.
Come here. Dead. Okay. We'll not worry too much about her coming back. Still only young. Need to be watching her at all times. As soon as she looks like she's going to go wrong, the verbal. Say the verbal once. If she doesn't do it, you've got to go and get her. No, she won't go back in there. Don't worry. A bit further then.
Get out.
There you go. She's got to swim a bit more now. Say good girl.
Good girl. Come here. Good girl. Come
Quick.
here. Betsie. Here. Good
Sit up.
girl. See?
Sit up. So,
Good girl.
to set yourself up for better success, yeah, after you've thrown it in, walk towards the bank and take it off her as she's coming out, because she'll be too busy concentrating on climbing out and she can't run away from you. Yeah, so take the dummy from her mouth when she's just coming out the water. Give her a go then. Send her.
Ready? Get out.
Look at that. Try and go a bit further so she's doing a few more paddles.
Good girl.
There you go, see? Well done.
Good
That's
girl.
it. You need to have that whistle in your mouth.
Get out.
That's better. Go on. She'll go.
Go on.
There you go. She's got the drive. Good exercise, cooling her down, keeping her fit. Improving her swimming, confidence growing all the time.
Good girl. Good girl, Dad. Good girl. Hop, Dad. Hop. Good girl. Hop. You done?
You want to do another one? Maybe not quite so far.
Get up.
No. Oh, that one she didn't even have to swim for. Right,
Good girl.
let's change it. You give me that. Right.
Oh.
Don't always sit her up. Mix it up. Sometimes, if she's brought it back, turn around, lob it straight back in. Keep her excited.
Get up.
There you go. Call her back. That's it. Ready to get it?
Dad. Dad. Come here. Come here. That's it. Dad. Good girl. Get up.
There you go.
Good girl. Good girl.
Get it?
Come here.
Come here. Dad.
Good girl. Oh.
Right.
Good girl.
If that was a runner, she'd have been on it. Come here. Dad. Get out. You call her back.
Good girl. Good girl. Get up. Good girl. Come here. Dad. Good girl.
Right. So we'll try, bit of an experiment.
Yeah.
You throw it from here. So if you throw it out parallel to the bank,
Yeah.
technically it's not that far for her from the bank.
Yeah.
See if she goes from here or whether she works it out and goes round to the side. But get her here.
Betsie.
Call her here.
Betsie. Get up.
It's not parallel, that's closer. Come here. Dead. Or Gil.
Get up.
Okay, smart dog. Come here. Good girl, shake. Right,
Well done, Betsie. Good girl.
try something different. Let's see what she says. What's she saying? What's she saying to you? She's saying throw it.
Get out.
Well, she'll get it. There you go. Look, she wants it. Good girl. Good girl. Come on then. Sometimes we forget to praise.
Good girl.
Come here. Wait. Come here. Dead. Get out. Come here. Dead. Shake. Good girl. Shake. Can do it.
You are?
I'll do it. You want to film? Okay. It's a tap. Gould family with Lily, 4 years old. Lily, get out. Station's filming the dog.
Sorry.
Really interested in the live game. Good girl. Good girl. Go on then. Go on then. Good girl. Good girl. Go on then. Hold. Hey, come here. Hold. Good. with scent, aren't you? Got the wind blowing from them birds in the sun straight over our faces. She can pick that up, sees the movement, that's what she wants. What's this, Lils? Get out. Get out. Good girl. Come on in. Come here. Hey. Sniffing. Goose food. Get out. Good girl. Shake. Hey. Shake. Good girl. One more for Lily. Ready? Lily. Lily. Get out. Good girl. Come on then. Still after. Biggie. Come here. Good girl. Into the wind. That way. Trouble is the geese are over there, but we'll keep well away from them. Lily. I haven't moved yet. See where the movement now, covered some ground. It's in there. There we go. Good girl. Okay. Not too fast behind me with the camera.
That's right.
Okay. Okay, so I'm just trying to balance between letting the dog hunt naturally, like this, and making sure, obviously I've got the lake as a boundary.
Which isn't water.
And then the tail whistle, if he's out to the right. Good girl, good girl. Good praise. That's it, get in there. Where is he then? Come on in.